Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really nice 12-inch 2-pack of water filters. These can be used for your 51300C or for EWF 3000 style filters. See, it's very well built. Everything seems to be really nice. They did come wrapped in a nice protective film around the whole thing, making sure everything stays sealed, which is really nice. It also does come with labels so that if you're going to be putting this on, you know how often to change them out. You know, these typically work in water fountains or under certain kind of commercial sinks that allow certain flow rates of water. This one does a 3,000 gallon capacity and 1.5 gallon per minute or 5.7 liters per minute flow rate. So this would work great for like a commercial water fountain or anywhere in like a commercial application where this would be like underneath the sink for a water filter for a home. So really great, easy to read instructions, very packaged very well, and seems to be a pretty good product.